Oh my god. Sound probably sounds so weird up there.
So is it recording it?
Yeah. Okay. Well then. It's gonna be like That's it.
Do you want to try another song?
How loud is it in your headphones? Well, whatever you just turned down, it's not loud now, but it was loud. Okay, hear it. Definitely, I could hear it the whole way. How is it now? It's quiet. I can still hear it. A little quieter, like if you were listening and playing the guitar yourself, you know what I mean?
Are you okay with that?
For record, like right now, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. Sure.
Just, so then you'll play a little bit louder maybe. Because maybe you're hearing it kind of loud in your headphones and then you're playing quieter.
Mm-hmm.
Because, I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe.
That makes sense.
What song would you like to do next?
One that's a lot of chords.
Okay.
Okay.
You can start whenever you're ready. It's fine. Okay. I wonder if there's a way that I can fix it from squeaking.
WD-40. Strap.
That's alright. I don't have any of that.
Vaseline.
Maybe. Do you have any anything like Vaseline?
You getting tired? Didn't sleep too good. No? I have migraine. I think I look good for sticks.
That's the one.
It would be great. No.
What do you need?
It's your record.
Olive oil, do?
Then we can get on the U-Plan.
That's what you kind of replace something, maybe that. How's it working? Did that work?
I'm repeating what people say. I'm gonna have to get up and we're gonna do the check. I'm gonna stop this for a second. Oh, we come up. Well, I don't know, maybe.
Do you guys want raw vegetables or some melons?
Jess!
Banana City.
Stop touching me. It's going through my hand. What the fuck? Oh. No, that looked weird.